We're at Harrah's Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas on the 22nd floor in room 22025. This door sticks a little. First off, as you'll see, this door doesn't close on its own. You have to push it very hard. When you walk in, there's a small hallway. Come to the main room. To the left is where the bed is, and you have closets on both sides of the bed. This closet has a place to hang up your clothes, as well as the ironing board and the iron. It's a little dark in here. There's lights and a dresser on the side of the bed. There doesn't appear to be a drawer though in this end table dresser. But on the side, it's hard to see, but there are outlets on the side here. It looks like there might be a USB charging outlet there as well. You have the king size bed. And you have like a chaise bench at the end of the bed. On the right side of the bed, you have another closet. This closet has a place to hang up your clothes, as well as a luggage rack. Right side of the bed is another end table, again without drawers. Next to the bed, you do have outlets. I mean, they're right next to the bed, so if you have like a big charging block or something, it might interfere. It's a little dark. I'm trying to get a picture. I don't know what this switch does here. There's one on the other side as well, but I'm not sure what it turns on or off because nothing's changing in the room. Over by the window, you have a table with 2 chairs and a lamp. You can also order food to go. There's also a QR code there, I guess, to get the menu. Scan it to see what you can order to go. On the other side of the room, you have a desk and a lamp with an outlet on it. It also looks like maybe there's a USB outlet supposed to be here, but it's not. It looks like it's broken. And then you have the television. You have some drawers to put your clothes in, and then you have the safe. There is no refrigerator or mini bar in this room. Back by the entrance, there's a sliding barn door for the bathroom entrance. And you have a single sink with decent amount of counter room. And underneath you have extra towels, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, toilet, and then a shower. There's no tub in this room. They do use these wall-mounted dispensers for the shampoo and soap. There are no bars of soap for the shower, only for the sink. Overall, the bathroom's an okay size. This is the view of the room from the window. You do see the high roller from this room, at least half of it, and the planes taking off and landing from the airport. There's one there right now. Facing east. Not the best view, but you know, you see the parking garage, but could be worse. The room overall is a good size. Nothing fancy, but seems clean. The outlets by the bed are a little weird because if you have something plugged in there, that might interfere with when you're sleeping. And there's no drawers in those end tables for some reason. The bathroom's an okay size. Overall, it's an okay room. You're in a pretty good spot on the strip. Not center strip per se, but just down a little bit. Close enough. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below.